Hi folks, just a quick question to all you people out there on the big world wide web. I'm trying to fit this Hex Ezycan to my brand new R1250GS. I've taken the heated seats off. This is what these two plugs are for. However, I've come across a bit of an issue. I can't find the tyre pressure monitoring unit which the Hex Ezycan should piggyback onto. Looking down here where it should be, I've got a couple of holes where it should be situated, and RDC written or stamped in the mudguard there. It's definitely not this, that's the lean angle sensor, and looking on the Hex Ezycan website, they do specifically say do not unplug this and put the Hex Ezycan into there. You will blow your electronics to bits or something like that. Well, that's my interpretation of it. So I'm a little bit stumped. I'm very reluctant to take this panel off here. So it's a Saturday, and I will go down to the dealer on Monday and see if I can find out where do I plug the Hex Ezycan into, folks. So normally I'm telling you good folks what to do. Please put something in the comment section down below if you fitted the Hex Ezycan to 2022 BMW. Answers please, very much appreciated. Take care and ride safe. Bye.